Hey everyone, today we are going to see the word of continuous integration and automation with Jenkins. Whether you are an experienced developer or just a beginner in programming, understanding Jenkins is important. Jenkins is an open source automation server that helps automate the parts of software development related to building, testing, and deploying the software. The Jenkins project was originally named Hudson and was renamed as Jenkins after release in the year 2011. Jenkins allows developers to automate repetitive tasks such as compiling code, running tests, and deploying applications, thereby increasing productivity and efficiency in software development. Jenkins can be customized to suit the specific needs of any development environment. Whether you are building a Java application, a mobile application, or a website, Jenkins has extended via its plugin architecture to support your workflow. Jenkins facilitates continuous integration and continuous deployment practices, allowing developers to integrate code changes frequently and automatically deploy them to production environments. Jenkins is a highly popular used by thousands of development teams. Jenkins automation is commonly triggered by code changes in repositories like GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, and integrates with build tools like Maven and Gradle. Jenkins is a self-contained Java-based program ready to run out of the box with packages for various operating systems. Jenkins is playing one of the important roles by providing a wide variety of plugins that allow teams or indie developers to extend its functionality. It is also used by various companies as their tech stack such as Facebook, Netflix, Udemy, and many more. If you enjoyed this video and fascinated about Jenkins, give it a thumbs up and share it with everyone. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.